G'day guys, Greg here. Now it's product review time, and today I'm going to be trying this product right here. It's the I&J Classic Calamari South Pacific Squid. It's pretty funny, this piece of seafood's done more travel than me in the last 6 months. Lucky thing. Even though it's dead. But listen, this is 360 grams and cost about $8. So, I mean, it works out to about $22 a kilo or something, which I think if you went to the fish and chip shop and bought squid, it'd cost way more than that, wouldn't it? Now, it says South Pacific squid. I'm wondering how much squid is actually in it. Well, let's find out. Well, the ingredients: squid, also known as Dosidicus gigas, also known as a mollusk, 50%. And then the classic crumb is 50%. Alright, so it's 50% Dosidicus gigas and 50% crumb. Sounds pretty normal. And if the Dosidicus gigas tastes any good, there's 3.6 servings per size at 1,000 kilojoules per serving, which means it'll be about the 3,500 kilojoules per packet, which means you could probably have about 2.5 of these packets every day and still have a body. Like the old Gregor. Well, how about we crack it open out of the box and see what it looks like? Oh, I do love me some Dosidicus gigas. Sounds like a good band name, actually. Alright, so here it is. How many do you get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the average serving size is probably about 3. Not today, it's not going to be. Going to be way more than that. Anyway, let's see how to cook these things. Well, cooking instruction: this frozen product is uncooked. Oh, so it's nice and freshly frozen. Now, you can either bake it in the oven for 14 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius, or you can cook it in the air fryer. Set the air fryer to 200 degrees Celsius, place frozen I&J Classic Dosidicus gigas in the air fryer basket in a single layer, and cook for 9 minutes, turning halfway. That sounds like something even I could do. I'll slice that open. Nice. Right, to the air fryer. Okay, well, let's stick our Dosidicus gigas in a single layer in the old air fryer. You should be able to do about 6 or 7 at once. And hit start, turn the temperature up to 200, and it says cook for 9 minutes, so I'll drop it down to 5, and when it stops I'll come and turn it over and do it for another 4. Alright, well that's the first 5 minutes done. Oh, they're looking pretty good. I just got to turn them over. Oh boy, they're hot! Oh, that burns! Oh, that's 2nd degree. That's 1st degree. Oh, that's getting close to a 3rd degree. Oh yeah. And then I just need to cook it again for 4 minutes and it should be done. Now while that's cooking, I thought I'd make a classic seafood sauce. It's just 2 ingredients. Bit of mayo and a bit of tomato sauce. Now bring on that Dosidicus gigas. Alright, well the final 4 minutes is up and... Whoa! They are looking good, and the kitchen smells like a Calamari fish and chip Dosidicus gigas shop. It's amazing. Now I will use some tongs for a change to get this out. Yummy! Alright, well, does it look anything like it does on the front packet? Well, I'm sure this has been photoshopped and everything to make them look better, but they look pretty similar to me. Man, these are looking good. Well, hopefully they've cooled down enough that they're not going to strip the skin off the inside of my mouth. So, let's just try it. First, let's see how thick this batter really is. Nice and oily and greasy. The batter's pretty good. And there's the squid inside. I mean, they're decent sized pieces, like a decent thickness. Let's hope they're not chewy and stringy. You know what I mean. Wow. That's pretty tender. That's pretty good. All right. Right. Nicely seasoned. The batter tastes really nice and it's crunchy. And the squid inside is actually pretty tender. A lot more tender than I thought it'd be. There's the odd bit of, stringiness there, but way less than I could ever imagine. These are pretty good. I am finding the inside of that batter can be a little bit undercooked. A little bit gooey-ish, but it doesn't take away from the flavour at all. Although it's not enhancing it either, but it still tastes good. Let's try it in the seafood sauce. Yeah, man. These are pretty tasty. And when I thought frozen calamari rings, you got to reheat them. They're going to be rubbery, chewy, stringy, flavourless, horrible. But I've been extremely surprised. These actually taste pretty good. And they just taste like they would if you went to a fish and chip shop and ordered some. Made for $8, you'd probably only get 4. So these are pretty good. They seem to be good value. They taste good. The crumbing's good. The calamari's good. Man, what more do you want? Definitely one I would be getting again. If I ever ate calamari, which I never do. But these were really good. And if you got some, I'm sure you're going to like them. Even after 10 minutes of being cooked, the calamari inside still stayed tender and easy to chew. And the outer crumbing was still nice and crunchy too. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time I eat some seafood from the freezer section. See you then.
Ooh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen where the reviews are finger licking. Ooh yeah.
Mommy, how I love ya, how I love ya.